Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Starlight Kit is probably one of the most exciting and visually stunning additions you can make to your car's interior, transforming a mundane drive into an immersive celestial experience. Imagine cruising under a canopy of twinkling stars, a personalized galaxy right above your head, creating an ambience that's both relaxing and awe-inspiring. This kit offers a unique way to elevate your vehicle's aesthetics, turning heads and providing a conversation starter wherever you go. It's more than just lighting. It's about crafting a mood, a personal sanctuary on wheels that reflects your style and love for the extraordinary. Number 5. AKEPO Upgraded Car Home Fiber Optic Lights Kit. Experience a truly immersive starry sky with our upgraded fiber optic lights. They feature a realistic twinkle effect and can even sync with music or your voice for a dynamic ambience. Easily control your lighting experience with both a convenient remote and an advanced app. Choose from millions of colors and adjust brightness, speed, and modes to create your perfect atmosphere. Enjoy a full spectrum of colors, including pure white and vibrant RGB options. This ensures the most suitable and beautiful starry sky effect for your ceiling. This kit includes 450 strands of high-quality, N-Glow fiber optic cables, each 9.8 feet long. They are designed for a stunning visual display. Install it easily in your car or home with the included adapters. The waterproof cables ensure safety, and the light engine should be kept in a dry area. We stand by the quality of our product. Enjoy peace of mind with a 2-year warranty for your lighting system. What we like. This kit offers advanced control with both an app and Bluetooth connectivity, giving you access to millions of colors and dynamic modes. The inclusion of RGBW lamp beads ensures you can achieve a perfect pure white for a realistic starry sky. If you're looking for a highly customizable and immersive experience with realistic twinkle and music synchronization, this is the one for you. What people say. The fiber optics are very fine and create a realistic star effect. The kit is easy to install and the instructions are clear. The starlight effect is adjustable, allowing for different brightness levels and patterns. Number 4. VASTFIRE Starlight Headliner Kit. Introducing the VASTFIRE Starlight Headliner Kit, a revolutionary way to bring the magic of a starry sky into any room. It's perfect for creating an immersive atmosphere. This kit features 550 delicate fiber optic strands, each measuring 9.8 feet, to create a realistic and breathtaking starfield. You can customize the look to your heart's content. Take full control with the included remote or our intuitive smartphone app. Choose from millions of colors, adjust brightness, and sync the lights with your favorite music or voice commands. Experience a spectrum of colors, from vibrant RGB hues to pure white light. Combine them to create unique shades and dynamic lighting effects like fading, jumping, and twinkling. While perfect for car interiors, its versatility extends to home theaters, bedrooms, living rooms, and even KTVs. Let your imagination guide you in creating stunning ceiling decorations. The kit comes complete with a 16W RGBW Twinkle light engine, all necessary fiber optic strands, power adapters for both home and car use, a remote control, and a user manual. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with a 2-year warranty. What we like. With 550 strands, this kit provides a dense and beautiful starry sky effect. Its music and voice activation features make it incredibly dynamic and responsive to your environment. If you want a vibrant, interactive light show that syncs with sound for your car or home theater, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The Starlight Kit is easy to install and the fiber optics are very bright. The app control is intuitive and allows for a wide range of color and pattern customization. The shooting star effect is a great addition and really adds to the ambience. Number 3. Twinkle and Meteor Starlight Headliner Kit. Transform your space with our innovative 2-in-1 Starlight Kit. It combines twinkling stars and shooting meteor effects from a single, powerful light engine for stunning realism. Set the perfect mood with millions of colors and dynamic lighting effects. You can even sync the lights to your music for an immersive experience. Easily manage your lighting experience with both a remote control and a user-friendly app. Everything you need for installation is included, along with a 2-year warranty. Designed to fit seamlessly into any vehicle, from cars to trucks. Its heat-resistant construction ensures reliable performance even in high temperatures. Create a breathtaking starry night effect not just in your car, but also in bedrooms, home theaters, or any space you wish to enhance. The durable fibers are built to last. What we like. This kit stands out with its unique 2-in-1 functionality, offering both twinkling stars and shooting meteor effects from a single engine. It boasts 750 strands for a fuller sky and seamless music synchronization. If you desire a truly magical and dynamic celestial display with the added excitement of shooting stars, this is the perfect option for creating an unforgettable ambience. What people say. The fiber optics are very thin and easy to bend, making installation in tight spaces like car headliners a breeze. The kit comes with a remote control that allows you to change colors, adjust brightness, and set various patterns, offering a lot of customization for the ambience. The starlight effect is quite realistic, mimicking a starry night sky with a good range of colors and brightness levels. Number 2. Chinley 32W Twinkle RGBW LED Fiber Optic Star Ceiling Light. Immerse yourself in a realistic starry sky with our premium fiber optics. Crafted from durable PMMA plastic, these lights offer vibrant colors and a long-lasting, waterproof design, perfect for any environment. Take full control of your lighting experience through our intuitive smartphone app. Easily adjust colors, modes, speed, and brightness without the hassle of a lost remote. Watch as the lights dance to the beat of your music with the sound-activated mode. The built-in twinkle function creates a truly dynamic and romantic atmosphere. Elevate your car, room, or home theater with this stunning lighting kit. Its versatile application makes it perfect for creating a magical ambience anywhere. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need, plus a 2-year service guarantee. We are committed to providing you with a satisfactory solution for any concerns. What we like. Featuring a remarkable 800 strands and a powerful 32W engine, this kit delivers an exceptionally bright and dense starry sky. The upgraded Bluetooth app control offers unparalleled convenience and a wide range of customization. If you're aiming for the most brilliant and extensive star ceiling effect with effortless control, this kit is designed for you. What people say. The fiber optics are very thin and easy to work with, allowing for a realistic star effect. The kit includes a remote control that makes it easy to change colors, brightness, and patterns, adding a dynamic element to the lighting. Installation was straightforward, and the kit comes with all the necessary components for a complete setup. Number 1. AZIMOM Dual Color Fiber Optic Starlight Headliner Kits. Introducing our new version Starlight Kit. It features a dual-color design, allowing you to easily switch between different colors or use the same color for both LED ports. Enjoy superior design with a powerful light source that accommodates many fibers, offering pure white and mixed RGB white light. Experience the magic of our RGB Meteor engine. With 7 static colors and 20 dynamic shooting star modes, it's perfect for creating a stunning ambience in your car, home, or commercial spaces. Transform any ceiling into a dazzling night sky. Immerse yourself in a captivating light show. Our fiber optic light kits combine a beautiful twinkle effect with a sound-activated sensor. Watch the fiber optic strands dance to the rhythm of your favorite music, creating a synchronized visual and auditory experience. Unlock a world of color possibilities. Easily select from various light change modes, including static colors, jump, fade, flash, and breath. Combine RGB colors with pure white to create millions of unique hues, all controllable via our app. Control your starlight experience with ease using the My Smart LED app for Android and iOS. We offer a 2-year guarantee and can customize fiber sizes to meet your specific needs. Contact us with any questions or for custom orders. What we like. This kit introduces a novel dual-color design, allowing for even more versatile lighting options, alongside the exciting RGB Meteor shooting star effect. With 600 strands, it offers a substantial and captivating display. If you're looking for a unique lighting experience that combines classic twinkle with dynamic shooting stars and the flexibility of dual colors, this kit is a fantastic choice. What people say. The fiber optics are very thin and create a realistic star effect. The kit includes a remote control for easy operation and color selection. Installation was straightforward, and the results were stunning. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.